Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Robux with Cash App on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to buy Robux using Cash App, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Cash Card icon and make sure your Cash Card is activated. Also, ensure that you have enough balance in your account. If needed, you can add funds by linking your bank account or debit card. Now, after confirming your Cash Card is ready, open your Roblox app on your mobile device. Head over to the More section at the bottom right. Then go into Settings and check your payment methods. Here, make sure your Cash App Cash Card is added as a payment option. If it's not listed, you'll need to manually add your Cash Card details so it can be used for purchases. Once that's set up, look for the Robux icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it and choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. After selecting your desired package, you'll be taken to the purchase screen. When prompted to choose a payment method, select your Cash App card. Confirm the payment, and your Robux will be added to your account instantly or within a few moments. And that's it. So that's basically how you can buy Robux with Cash App on mobile. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!